Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible, without any stress. All you need to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times. Today's topic is the Vietnam War. Why did the U.S. get involved? The Vietnam War was one of the most controversial and impactful conflicts in American history. It lasted from the late 1950s until 1975, and the United States played a major role in the war, especially during the 1960s. So, why did the U.S. get involved? The main reason was the Cold War. After World War II, the U.S. and the Soviet Union were engaged in a global struggle between capitalism and communism. The U.S. believed in the domino theory, the idea that if one country in Asia fell to communism, others would quickly follow. Vietnam was divided into two: North Vietnam, which was communist and supported by the Soviet Union and China, and South Vietnam, which was anti-communist and backed by the United States and its allies. The U.S. first sent military advisors to South Vietnam, but over time, their involvement grew. By the late 1960s, hundreds of thousands of American troops were fighting in Vietnam. The goal was to prevent the spread of communism and support the South Vietnamese government. However, the war became very unpopular in the United States. Many Americans did not understand why their country was fighting in a faraway land. There were massive protests, especially among young people. The media showed the brutal realities of war, and public opinion turned against it. After years of fighting and more than 58,000 American deaths, the U.S. began to withdraw its troops. In 1973, the U.S. signed a peace agreement with North Vietnam, and in 1975, North Vietnam took control of the entire country. The Vietnam War taught the U.S. many lessons about foreign policy, military strategy, and public trust. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video. It's very important for mastering English and learning about American culture. Give us a like and share this video to help us keep growing and making even better content. See you in the next adventure.